Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritesh Button and in this video I'm going to share with you the correct use of should, must and ought to. We know these three models well, but often they confuse us in many situations. And instead of using should, we use must. And instead of must, we use ought to. And instead of ought to, we use should. We often interchange their uses. In this video, we shall study the correct use of these three very important models: should, must and ought to. Please watch this short and a very informative video till the end. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe. The Hindi meaning of all these three models, should, must and ought to, is chahiye. Should chahiye, must chahiye, ought to chahiye. But we need to know the correct use of all these three chahiyes. Let us use all these three chahiyes in their correct places. Three chahiyes: should, must and ought to. So let us first of all start with the correct use of should. Number one, should is used as the past tense of shall. For example, I said I should help your friend. Next, we said that we should not climb the trees. So here we use should as the past tense of shall. Number two, when we use should as chahiye, then in that case should is used to educate, to give advice and to suggest. Should does not show the necessity of something. It is just a simple advice. Example: you should walk daily. You should wipe your feet before entering into your room. You should sleep early and rise early. So in all these cases we use should as a simple advice. Now let us move to must. Again, the meaning of must also in Hindi is chahiye. But this chahiye is different from the chahiye of should. Must is not used to give simple advice, but it is used to tell the necessity of something. It shows that something is mandatory and cannot be avoided. Example: your condition is very bad. You must see a doctor immediately. See the necessity in situation. While driving the car, we must put on the seat belt. We must wear helmets while riding the bike. So, in case of must, we cannot take the things for granted. Must makes the things necessary, mandatory. The things we cannot afford to ignore. Now let's move to ought to. This model ought to is another chahiye of Hindi. And this chahiye is different from the chahiye of should and the chahiye of must. We use ought to in case of duty or the moral obligation. Example: we ought to love our neighbors. You ought to obey your teachers. We ought to respect our national flag. We ought to help our elders in their work. Did you find this video useful? Yes? Oh wow! then please like this video and also please share it with your companions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye for now.